Next, I'm going to fold this up. Eventually, it's going to be folded in half. For most of this, it's going to be folded in half. So I am going to fold this up to not quite where that halfway mark might be. So it's about so that there's equal thirds almost, except for the folded part is a little bit less than that because you do want a little bit of space between. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So that's folded up, that's hemmed now. Now this one is folded up almost to that edge, but I want a little bit of space between because it's going to allow me to fold that a lot easier. Okay? So now there's a little bit of space between. If it comes right butted up against each other, it's not going to fold so easily. I'm going to fold it together so that those edges come exactly even. Do the same thing to this side. I'll show you again. Fold it up so it's not quite to the halfway mark if it were folded in half. That's a little bit small. Same on the other side. It's really hard to see black, but you might be able to see there's a tiny bit of space between these two raw edges that are folded together. That makes it easier to fold in half and press until those finished edges or the hem edges are exactly aligned. Now when you're done with that, you take the thing and you sort of see this is all finished up to here, and I'm going to fold it in half for the rest of the way and press in half the rest of the way. All the way until you get to the other finished edge. Okay, now all you do is meet these ends of the ties and then pull up, and you need to mark the middle with just a tiny little triangle, and that is your tie. Now I might need to instruct you how to sew that on, so that's what I'll do next.